Welcome to this video. My name is Dina and today I'm going to present an activity that I do twice a week. This activity is making a salad for the lunch. Eating salad is very important for your body and to be healthy. Let's begin. The first step that I make is wash my hands. And I put on my apron. Now, in my kitchen, I have different vegetables and ingredients for my salad. These ingredients are onions, tomatoes, different tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, lemons, and beet. So, I need to choose which ones to use for my salad. And I can use different tools. For example, I can use a knife, a table, a spatula, and different bowls. Let's begin. I need to choose what ingredients I use. Tomato or cucumber or carrots. It's difficult to choose because I like cucumber. Sometimes it's delicious in different salads. But carrots are more delicious. Many people like carrots and the boys love carrots. And carrots are juice. For this reason, I will choose carrots. The first ingredient, this is my first ingredient for my salad. Now, beet or tomatoes? What? In my case, I choose tomato because it's easy to prepare, it's delicious, and many people like tomatoes, and tomatoes is popular in a salad. This is my second ingredient for my salad. Now, onion. Onion is very important when you're cooking. When you're cooking, you need onion. For example, I need cooking a salad, I need cooking a soup, or I need cooking a rice. I need onion. Onion is the first element principal when you're cooking. And lemons. Lemon is my favorite vegetable when I'm cooking. And it's very important. Don't forget lemon when you're cooking. Now, with these ingredients, I can make my salad. Let's begin with the preparation. First, I will peel the onion. And I cut this. Don't fry, please. Now, when the onions are cut, I press it right for 5 minutes. It's important to dry the onion, and I dry onion with salt. Don't forget to dry your onion. Now, I will peel the tomato. It's important to peel different vegetables when you're cooking. If you need cooking, you need different tools. And now, I cut the tomato into different slices. This tomato is very delicious. I like tomato. Now, I will peel the carrots. And use my scratcher for this. Now I wash my onion with a lot of water because I need water the side. when I had the ingredients, I stir everything, and I add salt, cut the lemon, and apply different lemon. Now my salad is this. Thank you for your attention.